On a regular Facebook page, the first thing you see is the cover, and under it, some applications that serve to give priority to the content that we want to be displayed. These applications can be installed manually, and you can place them in the order you want to prioritize each other. By default, when you create a Facebook page, there are 4 tabs that always appear: Photos, Events, Videos, and Likes. But if you select in the options you give in Manage tabs, you can change the order as you want. Heyyo helps create contests, promotions, and offers by directly setting up the elements of your Facebook page. It has templates that are fully modifiable for you to use, and at that moment you to make the decision to choose the format you want. You have a free 1-week trial for test, and if after trying the trial you convince, the Simple Plus costs $25. And Tavu. This is an application that helps create promotions. It is accessed from Facebook. Although it's free, it has quite a bit of customization. It has up to 6 types of promotions where you can incorporate from a photo, a video, an audio, or even create a promotion for Instagram. You can try it for free for 7 days. Tap Foundry. It's a free app that helps you to customize your page just by dragging and dropping the different elements you want to incorporate. Within your customizations, you can add photos and backgrounds, graphics, or colors, as well as multimedia galleries or videos. Webbox. It is a bulk application that allows you to create coupons, make sweep takers, surveys, create a page of offers, etc. In addition, it allows you to customize all the actions you do within our Facebook page. All promotions you make with Webbox integrate with Facebook and Twitter.